In this video, I'll show you how to use the scanner of your Epson EcoTank ET-2800. So to use it, you first need to connect your printer to your laptop, Windows, PC, or Mac, or your smartphone. So let me show you how to connect to your smartphone, but by the way, you can do it on your PC as well and Mac. I made separate videos on how to connect to those devices, so check my channel, they're all there and it will help you do it quickly. So the first thing is to go over here, make sure that you see this panel lighting up. If not, press the home button, you'll be in the main menu. Go with this arrow until you see Wi-Fi setup, press OK. And then press this arrow once again. And then you should see Wi-Fi recommended, press OK. Press OK once more. You should see Wi-Fi setup wizard, press OK.
It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks around you. Just give it a few seconds. So here they are, and you can use the top and down arrow to navigate and select your home or office network. In my case, it's this one. Press OK once it's selected, and you'll have to type the password. I know the screen is quite small and to navigate is a bit uncomfortable, but this is the way we need to do it. So if you want to switch between capital letters and numbers, you just have to select this small icon here, press OK, and it will switch to capital letters. If you press OK once more, you'll get your numbers and also some symbols, and if your password contain one of these. Once you type your password, go down and select the OK icon and press OK on the control panel. Next step over here, they simply ask you participate in the future design of Epson products, blah blah blah. So if you do not want to participate to this program, simply press this icon over here and you will be back in the main menu. To know that your printer is connected to your home Wi-Fi, you see over here there's a Wi-Fi symbol. Then on your smartphone you need to download the Epson Smart Panel on the App Store or Google Play Store. So just type Epson Smart Panel, go ahead and download it. Then launch the app. Press Agree. Press OK. Press Next. Here press Allow once. Press Next. Press Allow. And from this list you should see your Epson printer. You just need to select it by pressing on it. And you'll get this blue check mark and connection is complete. Press OK. And here this is just a personal preference. They'll ask you which kind of screen do you want to use. In my opinion, this one is a lot easier to navigate. So I'll select Use Tiles. Then press OK. And we are now on the main menu of the Epson app. Now let me show you how to scan. So there's the scan green button here, press it once. Take the paper or photo or artwork you want to scan, open the scan lid, and over here you may see on the right side a small arrow pointing to this corner. This is very important. You're going to take your document, place it facing down with the top part of the document on the right side, and make sure that the corner of your document is aligned with the corner of the scanner. So just push it to the extremity like this, where the arrow is. Then close the lid, take back your smartphone, and make sure that these settings are the one that you want. So the document size is the correct one. Do you want a scan to be in color or in black and white? And one thing that is important here is the resolution. Tap on it, and you'll have to choose between different resolutions. If you're only scanning a document like the one I have put here, where there's no image and details are not that important, select 200 dpi. If you're scanning a picture, an artwork, a painting, I don't know what, but something where you really want to have sharp details, then select high 600 dpi. Obviously the scan will take a lot more time if you select 600 dpi compared to 200, but this will give you the best results. In my case, I'll just put it back to 200. Then you have remove background. In my case, I do not want to remove the background, but if you're scanning a picture, let's say with some blank space around it, and you simply want to scan the picture itself, you can select remove background, and the printer will actually simply remove what's around your subject and keep only the middle. Then we have automatic rotation. This is up to you to select it or not. I place the document the right way, so I won't need to rotate it. And finally, image format over here. If you tap, you have to select in which kind of format you want the file to be saved. In my case, this is a text document mostly, so I'll select PDF, but obviously if you're scanning pictures, JPEG is the best format for this purpose. I'll go back. And to start, simply press the big green start button. And now we'll just have to wait. Once the scan is done, you're going to see on your smartphone screen what the scan looked like. And from here you can delete it if you're not satisfied with the results. You can actually crop it by selecting this icon over here. You can rotate it, you see, simply by pressing over here, it rotates the scan. And we have 3 dots. If you click on these 3 dots, you'll have more options, but most people will never use these. If your document has multiple pages, let's say you're trying to scan a document with 5 pages, you just have to remove this scan, put the next page, and click on this plus button over here. This will scan the second page, and you can simply do it like this until you're done scanning the whole document. Every pages will appear down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done, press the next button. It will ask you to give this scan a file name, so click on this name over here. This is the default name. Erase it and type your name. So let me say test scan Epson Printer. Then press done, press save, and it will ask you to select where on your smartphone, in which folder you want this to be saved. In my case, this is automatically under the downloads, and this is where I want it to go. But if you don't want it to go here, simply press back and select another folder. I'll press save, and you'll get this confirmation message, the file is saved. Go back to the app's home screen. Yes. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.